Hello everyone, and welcome to Tereteknik. Today I'm back with another brand new video, and in this video we'll be talking about this beautiful Apple CarPlay we installed in this beautiful car. This is the Alfa Romeo, or Alfa Romeo, however you say it. It's a Stelvio from 2017 model, and this is the original screen. We haven't changed the screen, we just installed our Apple CarPlay module with it, and you will get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I'm sorry, this is not touch. You can use the iDrive to navigate. So basically, by installing our Android, our Apple CarPlay or CarPlay module, you will get these functions, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirroring option, Bluetooth, an option to play video through USB, the video in, which will allow you to connect front camera, DVR, or monitoring camera. And then there are some settings, and of course music. By installing this module, you don't need to worry about losing any of the original functions, because how it works is, let me show you. If I just go back here like this is the original Alfa Romeo menu, or the screen, and after installing the module, you will still have all these functions and everything work normally. And in order to access the CarPlay or the CarPlay menu, you have to press and hold the menu button like so. If I zoom out and show you like this, I will press and hold and it will take me here. And now I have connected my iPhone to Bluetooth, and so I can use the CarPlay here. This is my phone, and same if I have Android, I can connect to Bluetooth and use the Android Auto function. This is very simple plug and play installation. You don't need to do any kind of special modifications or anything, and we have these CarPlay modules for almost all the cars out there. If you have any queries, any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. I'll be very happy to help you out. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, and see you in the next video.